Lately, I've published a few videos for tech companies which want to hire audio AI talent and for people who'd like to land a job in the audio AI space. I've realized though that I've never discussed in depth a service that I offer that facilitates the life of both companies and wannabe hires. If you're an audio tech company or wannabe AI music engineer, stick around. I promise it'll be worth the while. If you're a tech company trying to hire audio AI engineers, you know that the process can be a nightmare. Audio AI talent is rare, top talent even more so. You may have no idea where to find this talent, what to look for, or just where to start. As a solution, you may ask a traditional tech recruitment agency to find candidates for you, but they usually don't have the networks to source audio AI candidates. Also, they lack the necessary expertise to properly evaluate the different profiles they get. Given their lack of network and domain expertise, it's likely that traditional agencies may recruit the wrong audio AI candidate for your company. It'll also take them a long time to find suitable profiles. As a consequence, cost and time wasted will skyrocket. Is there a more effective solution to hire audio AI talent? Well, this is where the Sound of AI Recruitment comes in. The Sound of AI Recruitment is the only recruitment agency specialized in audio AI talent. It's the hiring branch of the Sound of AI ecosystem. As such, we only concentrate on hiring audio AI talent. We've been at the center of the audio tech industry for more than 10 years, consulting, developing audio AI products, and building music tech startups. Through our prolonged activity, we've developed a deep network. Well, it's not a neural network, but it's a very important network nonetheless. We know key engineers, researchers, and leaders in the space. We've also built the largest audio AI talent pool around, with more than 35,000 people between the Sound of AI YouTube channel and the Slack community. With the Sound of AI Recruitment, we leverage our community and network to source top audio AI candidates quickly. Our deep technical and business knowledge of the audio AI space allows us to identify promising candidates effectively. We're always in contact with audio AI talent. If you're familiar with the Sound of AI channel, you'll know that we often organize events like hackathons or more involved events or programs like the open source projects. And these events engage the whole community, and more, way more, is coming soon. So stay tuned for that. We have been actively recruiting audio AI talent for almost 3 years. We have experience hiring audio AI engineers and researchers for tech startups, scale-ups, and large enterprise from all over the world. In a nutshell, at the Sound of AI Recruitment, we recruit the best audio AI talent for your company quickly and reliably. We can also help you identify the type of talent you need for your audio AI project and put together a team for you. If you're interested in hiring with us or just want to learn more about our recruitment services, take a look at our website. You can use the link to the Sound of AI Recruitment website in the video description below. Now on to you, the Sound of AI subscriber. I know you'd like to get a position as an audio AI engineer. To increase the chance of getting a job, you can do 2 things. First, be active on the Sound of AI Slack community. You'll get noted, and there I'll share all the audio AI positions audio tech companies ask me to fill. You haven't joined the Slack workspace yet? No problem. Check out the link to the community in the description. Second, go to the Sound of AI Recruitment website, fill up a survey, and leave your CV. This way, you'll be in our recruitment database. We'll send you an email when we get a job that matches your profile. Find the link to the website again in the description box. This was quite the unusual video for the channel. That said, I hope companies and wannabe hires both found it useful. Until the next time.